What's up, YouTube? Thanks for clicking on my video. It's been a little while since I've posted a video. I've had some terrible computer problems. I've tried doing this several times, so I hope this is going to work. Um, Basically, I couldn't screen record and video do anything at the same time while screen recording because my computer just couldn't do anything, so I couldn't make any more tutorials. So I took my computer in. It seems to be working okay. I got it cleaned up, I got it fixed up, and it seems to be working a lot better. So that's nice. Um, so this is the first video I'm making to sort of test it out, test the waters, and I guess let you guys know what my plans are for this channel going forward. Because it's been at least 9 months since I posted anything, and everything else is over a year or more. So yeah, basically my plan for this channel, what am I going to be doing with this? Because this channel is just sort of, I don't know, it's where I post a bunch of my art and stuff. It's a little all over the place. I post music, um, videos of my cat. But what seems to have gotten the most attention from a lot of people, and probably where I get most of my subscribers, happens to be with my tutorials for 3D work and specifically Adobe Dimensions. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. I got a few here. They got some decent views, and you guys have been very nice with them. Um, and ultimately, these things are pretty dated, and as a result, they're not good tutorials. So it's as a result, they're not good tutorials. So it's actually, I don't know. I got to redo them. I got to update all their information. There's just, it's great that these tutorials still seem to help people out, and you guys have been very supportive. Um, so yeah, I need to redo these original ones. It's just going to be a whole series. Um, the next video I do will probably be a real beginner video for dimensions and what it is. I know there's a lot of them, so I don't need to do one. But since I'm doing a whole series, I should probably start with the basics to make sure that everybody is up to speed with my lessons. Um, I'll also be doing some tutorials with Blender, um, since that's a big part of what I do and how I actually get my work put together. This is a little sculpting thing. I don't know. It's something. Ugh, my old work is just. Anyways, I mean that's mostly what I'll be doing. If you follow my channel because of my music, I will also be doing music. Yes, if you're here and you follow because of the band Unshall Thrive, and you want to keep up to date with what's going on there, yeah, that's still happening. This album's still coming out. We're just having a lot of struggles, lots of moves, lots of different studio spaces. It's coming. It's on its way. Just that's all I can really say right now. So just stay tuned, and I'll be able to. This will be the place that you can kind of get some of the first apparent glimpses as to what the project will be putting out for the next album. I've also got, some animations. I'll probably be doing some of those also. Um, I don't really post my animations here. I've actually got like a different channel for that. You know, this has only got 14 views here. People love it. Uh, Here, if you guys are interested, you can actually check out the animation channel. It's called Unloaded Groceries. Right here, just click on that. I am booming with 5 subscribers, and yeah, as you can see, I've had computer problems for over a year. I haven't really been able to do much. They are very popular with their high number of views. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to do with this video from here on. That's sort of it. Just, yeah, I'm going to be mainly focusing on some tutorials, and as the music gets done, I'll be posting more music. And, I don't really know why I'm doing this. I don't get any money from this. I was actually debating for a while why I should even go back and revamp the tutorials, because it's just, yeah, my channel is not monetized. I get no money from this, and essentially I'm just teaching what I know for free, and I get almost nothing back. Uh, I mean, YouTube's never going to monetize this channel. I don't know, maybe I should open up a Patreon. If you guys have any insight into that, please leave a comment. I'd love. But basically, I don't know. It's really not about the money. The basic reason why I want to do these tutorials and show you guys pretty much how to do what I do and know what I know for these programs is because what's really valuable to me is the conversation about it all. Posting up this stuff, people get to comment, and there's criticisms on work, and there's comments on best practice. It's just the conversation in the community is, I don't know, probably more important than money in some aspects, just because it's really hard to network. But I don't know. I was thinking about doing a Patreon, just because, if I was getting money for this, then of course I'd be able to put out content more regularly. But, until then, this is just going to kind of happen whenever I get some free time for it, which is not, I don't know, I can't really plan the free time. But yeah, anyways, that's the video. I'm just going to kind of end it here before I kill myself from talking too much. Be sure to ignore that subscribe button and hit dislike, and never come back to my channel again. Be sure to leave all those hateful comments. Yeah, I don't know. That's it. Goodbye.